I expect some of your responses as a classroom situation. When I am presenting or asking something, you can respond. So today, my dear friends, I am going to teach you very small concept. Rectangle. It's a rectangle, of course, very familiar. A rectangle with sides 20 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Then can you say a few property of this rectangle? Very good. Opposites are equal.
Diagonals bisect each other.
Diagonals bisect each other. Very good.
What else is?
Then about angles. 90 degree. All angles are equal to 90 degree. So these are the familiar, very clear concepts about this rectangle. So when I am trying to push this rectangle from one side or distorting this figure by pushing it to one side, what happened to this figure? At first it was a rectangle, then it became a parallel. Then did it change? Is there any change in the length of the sides? No change. Then in what aspect? Change. Angles change. It's opposite angles. These angles, angle A and angle C, decrease its size, and angle B, opposite sides, angle B and angle D increased. Equally they increase. Well, and angle A and angle C are equal, and angle B and angle D are also equal. Here, do you think that this 12 is still the breadth of that? At first, when it was a rectangle of length 20 and breadth 12, and if you are giving the such instruction, he may place vertically as horizontally. That idea is not clear. Therefore, if you are giving the instruction breadth 20 and height 12, this position is fixed. Therefore, it is 12, breadth 20 and height 12. When we distort this object, this 12 is not at all the breadth or height. Therefore, we can take it this 9 as a new height, not 12. Then we want to find out the area of this parallelogram. Then of course this 12 is not at all the breadth. In order to find out the area of this parallelogram, we need to multiply this 20 and 9. Are you sure that this 9, the product of 20 and 9 is the area? As a teacher says it is the area, people with the logics will not believe that. For in order to convince you with the logic, let me cut this and paste it here. So I have to make it a rectangle with new breadth, new height 9 centimeters, and therefore it is 20 and product of 20 and 9. Therefore, in order to find out the area of a parallelogram, we need to multiply a side with its height to the opposite side. Therefore, the area of a parallelogram is obtained by the formula base into or side into distance to the opposite side. So base into BH or base into height. Okay, then if you are, is there one question you have to answer this question. In a parallelogram, this is question. In a parallelogram, the height from 20 centimeter long side is 9. Height we have to find out height from the other side, 12 centimeter side. That's the question. I had presented this question in 8th standard and 9th standard. But students at that time was very facing the difficulty. How can we think of a height from 12 centimeter long side? So I made this option to invert it like this. This is the base. This 12 is the base now, and we have to find out this height. So at first, when it was like this, 9 is the height, and we have to find out the height when we consider 12 as a space. For this, as I said, is a base into height, therefore it is 20 into 9. Then, when we place this like this area is obtained by multiplying base into height. That is h, that is not known. Yet it is the area. 12 into height will be the area. But area cannot change if it changes shape. Therefore, this 12 into h and 20 into 9 are same. Therefore, we can equate both. 12 into h and 20 into 9 are same. There is no change in the area. Therefore, here, in order to find out the value of h is multiplied by 12 here. We can take that 12 to this side, opposite side, the other side of the equality with reverse operation. Here this h is multiplied here, so we have to divide that 12 here. That is 12 into 9 divided by 20 into 9 divided by 12 is the value of h. So that it is 15 centimeter is the height. So therefore, this I can.
Anybody wants to give any good Mr. Thank you so much. If anyone wants to give any feedback, we can give, then we'll go for